Well, today we have the pleasure of launching the National Decommissioning Centre, which is a fantastic and exciting new partnership between the OGTC and the University of Aberdeen, focused specifically at the challenge and opportunity that is decommissioning.
We're the first to embark on an initiative like this, so I think the rest of the world will be watching.
The North Sea is a mature basin. We've been taking out oil and gas for quite some time, and of course a number of those wells now have reached the end of their natural life. So of course we have to decommission those wells. The North Sea's still got a great future, but certain parts now have to be addressed carefully, sensitively, in terms of the environment.
We have environmental chambers, vibration chambers, and of course there'll be new equipment coming in over the coming years as well.
We have about a £60 billion bill for decommissioning in the North Sea. We can become a world leader in how you do decommissioning. That results for industry in lower costs, less liability on their books, more money to reinvest into the businesses that they run.
And we've just had money from the Decommissioning Challenge Fund of the Scottish Government to look at designing a qualification rig for new well plugging abandonment techniques. So in the past, all wells were plugged using cement, but there are new materials coming in which will make that more cost effective, quicker, but these need to be verified that they're okay to be used. The plan is to build a rig which will allow us to do that. We've also got a project running with the EU Interreg projects, wind turbines to be decommissioning and how we do that, and taking some learnings from the oil and gas sector and taking those through.
The primary purpose really is to drive the decommissioning agenda to achieve the savings in excess of 35% for the industry, which at the moment stands at a saving in excess of £20 billion. So we're going to have dedicated PhD students tackling some of the big issues. We also have MSc students coming through the centre tackling short-term issues, and we will also put some of the Solution Centre projects from the Oil and Gas Technology Centre through here.
We've done a lot of work in this, so we know approximately £15 billion worth of value may be achieved between now and 2025, just in the UK continental shelf alone. And of course, as one of the earliest basins to mature, this means we've got an opportunity with the pipeline of work that will come from that to develop a real capability and excellence that will transcend world markets and will make the North East of Scotland as a hub for this activity a centre that can serve a global demand for decommissioning work.
So a centre like this, it's a catalyst. It's a place to come, not only for technology to develop and deploy, but also a level of thought leadership. How should we be looking at late life management? How should we be doing decommissioning? What is right for the UK and for the North Sea?